Hi, I'm Nuradlin. Currently, I'm completing my PhD in Data Privacy Laws in International Islamic Institute Malaysia. So I'm using the GDPR and also Singapore PDPA 2012 as my comparison studies in order to find the best practice of data privacy laws. This course give me the practical sides in applying the PDPA into the daily practice for the operational matters, giving the checklist and guiding us in data mapping to assess the risk so that we can accept or avoid the risk. And also I gain a lot of new things to fill in the gaps in implementing the application of PDPA. I really encourage those who interested to join industry to become the data protection officers. This course is hands-on so that you can learn how to collect data, how to process, how to store it, and also how to manage the disclosure and transfer. I think I gained several suggestions and recommendations, and I think I would incorporate it into my research. The trainer, Mr. Benjamin, is very good in delivering his knowledge, very structured and very entertaining.